This video shows how to self-install your Belong DAW0122 modem for homes with a Hybrid Fibre Coaxial or HFC NBN connection. We know that's a lot of technical nonsense, so don't stress. Each home is different, and we've included your NBN connection type in your welcome email. To set up another modem, like the Belong SagemCom modem or another NBN connection type, go to belong.com.au/welcome or check the video description for links. Before we begin, make sure any equipment you rely on, like security, medical, or fire alarms, will work on your NBN connection. Depending on your setup, your old landline phone and internet services may disconnect and no longer be available after you install the modem. It's a good idea to have a charged mobile phone nearby so you can still contact people and use the internet in the meantime. Have you located your NBN box? It's a black box labelled AEST, around 4 cm wide, 13 cm deep, and 11 cm tall. The front of the device is smooth with a column of 4 lights. On the back of the device, going top to bottom, you'll find the socket labelled UNI-D1 and the small round power connection. The device will need to remain in the home after it's installed, even if you move. If your device is missing, please contact us at belong.com.au/support. Check that the cable with round ends is securely screwed into the coaxial socket on both ends. Power up your NBN box. Check that the black power cable is connected between the power point and the NBN box and its power is turned on. Make sure all the lights on your NBN box are solid green before you proceed. Now grab your modem box. It's made of 100% recycled paper. Open it up and you'll notice there's no plastic packaging inside. Any paper mist on the modem or cables is safe to wipe away. The modem is a black box 21 cm wide, 18.5 cm high, and 3 cm deep. The front of the modem shows the Belong logo. G'day! The rear of the modem has a grey DSL port, 4 yellow LAN ports, a red WAN port, a black DCIN power socket, a black on and off button, and a black reset button that requires a paperclip or pin or a teeny tiny magician's wand to press it. The top of the modem has 8 lights because we love a party. The left side of the modem has a black WPS button. The bottom of the modem has 4 raised feet, 2 wall mounting brackets, and a sticker panel with your Wi-Fi login information and a QR code. The modem comes with a thin black modem power cord, a thin black modem DSL cable, 2 white Ethernet cables, a quick setup guide, and a Wi-Fi card. Now let's position your modem. Your modem should be placed on a flat surface with the feet down, or if the modem is wall mounted, the feet should be pointed towards the wall. For best results, you should try to put your modem in a direct line of sight near the center of your home. It should be away from large electronic devices like fridges, microwaves, or nuclear reactors. Your NBN box will need to be beside the modem, which may limit your options of where you can put it. For more tips on where to position your modem, check the video description for links. Now let's connect your modem to your NBN box. Grab the white Ethernet cable and plug one end into the UNI-D1 port on the NBN box. Plug the other end into the red WAN port on the back of your Belong modem. This is the last Ethernet port on the right. Plug one end of the black modem power cord into the back of the Belong modem using the socket labelled DCIN, which is to the left of the on-off button. Plug the other end in a wall socket and turn it on. Pushing the on-off button makes a really satisfying clicking sound, and you guessed it, turns the modem on and off. The button will be pushed in when the modem is on and popped out when the modem is off. Turn on the modem, making sure the NBN box is also on. Wait for up to 10 minutes for the sync, internet, and status lights on top of the modem to turn green. The power, downstream, upstream, and online lights on the NBN box should also be green. Your modem will now be ready to connect to your internet-enabled devices. To connect a device with an Ethernet cable, plug one end of the white Ethernet cable into your device's Ethernet LAN port or adapter. Plug the other end into the back of the Belong modem using one of the yellow LAN ports labelled 1 to 4. The first LAN port is the second port from the left. The relevant LAN port's light will light up. To connect a device using Wi-Fi, Go to your device's Wi-Fi settings and use the Wi-Fi network name and password written on your Wi-Fi card or on the sticker on the bottom of the modem in the lower right. You can quickly set up mobile devices that can read QR codes. A QR code is a graphic that looks a little bit like a low-res fingerprint or a super confusing maze. Simply open up your camera app and point the camera at the QR code on the Wi-Fi card or on the bottom of the modem in the lower right. A web link will open up to help you connect automatically. If you have a WPS-enabled device like a laptop, you can connect to the modem without entering a password. Simply go to the Wi-Fi settings on your device and select the Wi-Fi name written on your Wi-Fi card or on the sticker on the back of the modem. When it prompts you to enter your password, press the WPS button on the left side of the modem. The WPS light on top of the modem will flash and your device should connect automatically. You should now be ready to use the internet in your home. If you need some help along the way, we're here to lend a hand. Contact us at belong.com.au/support.